Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an Excel graph with multiple lines. First, arrange your data in columns, with your categories in the first column and each data series in subsequent columns. For example, you might have months in column and sales figures for two different products in columns B and C. Make sure your data is clean and consistent, as this foundation is crucial for creating an effective and accurate visual representation. Clear labels for each column will also greatly assist in the next steps. Now that your data is ready, select the entire range, including your column headers. Navigate to the Insert tab in Excel's ribbon. From there, look for the Charts group and click on the line chart icon. You'll see several options. Choose the one that best suits your data visualization needs, typically a 2D line chart. Excel will then automatically generate a basic line graph, displaying each of your data series as a separate line. With your basic graph in place, it's time to make it more informative and visually appealing. Click on the chart to reveal the chart design and format tabs. Here, you can add a descriptive chart title and labels for both your horizontal and vertical axes. Experiment with different line colors, thicknesses, and markers to distinguish each data series clearly. A well-placed legend is also essential for viewers to understand what each line represents. To further refine your graph, explore advanced options like adding data labels to specific points or incorporating trend lines to show patterns. You can also adjust the chart's size and position on your worksheet to integrate it seamlessly into your report or presentation. Remember, a clear and well-formatted graph can convey complex information at a glance. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. This powerful tool helps you communicate your data effectively and professionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.